So welcome sa PUP Otaku Experience. This is the first Otaku Experience here in PUP. So Naruto Cosplayers Philippines or NCPH is supporting Otaku You Rule of PUP para maiparating o madala ang Otaku Experience sa mga taga-PUP. Siyempre kami sa NCPH, we're glad na naimbitahan kami dito as since Otaku You Rule is one of our alliances. Kasi NCPH is trying to organize a cosplay community that is more productive, more engaging, but less friction than others. Kasi gusto namin na cosplaying is not only for competition but also for experience, para rin sa advocacy. Nang sa gayon yung mga kabataan, malaman nila na when you cosplay, it's more on not just parang nagyayabang ka ng costume mo, kundi mayroon ding advocacy, mayroon ding social relevance. Kasi merong mga vloggers na sinasabi dati, wala daw social relevance yung mga cosplayer. Mga social retards daw kami. Pero to tell you the truth, tulad ko, I'm a vlogger, I'm an IT person, may social advocacy din ako. Cosplayers are more social active than anyone could ever been. You just need to know them. Kaya ini-invite namin kayong maging otaku, maging cosplayer. Be creative, join us. Kung nasa PUP kayo, join Otaku You Rule. Sa buong Pilipinas, we're inviting you to join Naruto Cosplayers Philippines. Just like at Facebook, facebook.com Naruto Cosplayers PH. Siyempre, salamat sa Bright Orb, one of the best media, web media in the Philippines today that's supporting cosplaying and otaku culture. Thank you. This is Hachibi. Yo, Bakieru.